What is going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. Today we're going to be doing some stuff. It's very hot, but the dashboard of my car needs to be welded, fixed, and a few more things to be taken off of it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead to the garage. All right, so we're going way to the back side of this. Golly, I forgot how big this thing was. Oh my gosh. Oh look, crack rock. Oh boy. Yeah, I definitely forgot how big all of this stuff was. I forgot that the dash bar was ginormous. Yeah, well, I'll be fixing that. I'll definitely be fixing that. Big dope. All right, let's go load it up in the truck, and then I will get some stuff ready to put onto it to make this dash bar work yet again. This thing's so heavy and awkward and weird. I wish it wasn't so heavy and awkward and weird. All right, here we go. Bam. There's my dashboard. Crack rock's gonna get fixed soon because I got a lot of parts in for it. Oh, that airbag, that's also for sale. Wheels are still for sale. That's a mess. Yeah, I need to clean this out. I definitely need to do that. Pull out that driver's seat. I also need to do a relocation from the battery to the front of the car, to the rear of the car, which is also why I've been waiting so long to do the turbos on this car, is because a lot of stuff is in the way. This AC compressor right here is in the way. I'm not gonna put a cold air intake on this car because there really is no reason to, because I'm going twin turbo here soon. So I need to get a pulley, the smaller pulley for the AC compressor delete, and then basically pull out most of this stuff. And then once I do all that, I can put the turbos on with the injectors and fuel system. But I also have some big plans planned next month. The car is getting wrapped in my special color. The truck's also getting wrapped too. So a lot of stuff's going on. We just gotta do it, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, so bear with me until I get all that stuff done. But trust me, it will be worth it, me waiting and making sure I do all the interior and exterior right before I do all this motor work to the car and kind of throw it together. So that's really why I've been waiting so long in order to do all this. Good deal. Oh, reliable. I'm actually gonna head to 6 Media right now. And Jake said I had another package coming in for me. I've got a lot of packages that's sitting there right now. I'm gonna give you all a sneak peek of what we've got, and hopefully there's a few good things in there. But I got a surprise that it looks pretty freaking sweet, so let's go ahead and check it out.
All right, Levi, you got a package or a child? I think the water broke.
It's leaking.
All right, push!
It's almost there.
I can see! Oh, I'm about to fall.
Welcome to the world, little guy.
Hi. I hate using that as a float.
Content.
Front bumper right here, GT bumper. I have a lip right here for the bumper that I'm gonna put on that guy. 4-inch cowl hood, a 4-inch straight pipe for my truck, plastics for crack rock, subframe for crack rock, a clutch for crack rock, a clutch for my truck, a microphone to help motovlog, but it's broken, so it's not gonna happen yet again. And then air filter, chain, and sprockets for crack rock. So lots of parts came in, and I'm waiting on like double what I have now. So lots more parts are coming in. So that's an update for that. I'm gonna go take apart my dash now. Go ahead. You got the helmet on? Your hat has a strap. Almost. Levi's the one who's been editing my videos recently. So meet Levi, people.
She had twins.
About that.
All right, so we're gonna go cut my dash apart. Ha! Tricked y'all. See, I told you I was gonna do some work on the weight. Damn it. Focus, fucking piece of shit. Okay, so I told y'all that I was going to be doing. Okay. I told y'all that I was gonna be doing work on the dashboard, which I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, apparently. Today is now going to be the day that I can take out the driver's seat, all the carpet in the driver's side, pretty much just get the car completely empty. That's what I need to do in this car, is just get it completely empty. And once I do that, I'll be able to basically start putting more stuff into it, like racing seat. Eventually, I'm gonna have a column inside of there, like an aftermarket column, because the stock one is A, heavy as balls, and B, looks ugly. So this is the start of me doing stuff to my car. Let's get into the business and switch to the GoPro. All right, so first off, Never mind. They're not wanting to come off right now. So what I'm gonna do is kick this out of the way. All these bolts, screws, wrenches, everything I've got in here has to go. This is for the headlight switch. Just moving these guys out to the side because I don't want them getting in the way since I am taking the carpet out of the car. If y'all haven't noticed, that's what I did on the passenger side. Now I'm doing it to the driver's side because it needs it very badly. Here we go. All right, now we're ripping stuff out. That's the wrong way. That's the right way. Come on now. One and dos. So now I'm gonna move the seat all the way forward and fold it up so I can remove it completely. All right, so the seatbelt's out. However, I'm gonna keep that in the car because I've got some things I need to do before I can put a harness in the car. I have one, but the only problem with that is I don't have a harness bar, which is kind of like the most important part if you put harnesses in your car is you need a harness bar. All right, driver's seat delete. I'm just gonna put this seat out here for now. Golly, that thing's heavy. Yeah, definitely weight reduction to the max now. I am not carrying at all. Everything must go. This is the driver's side, so I'm gonna keep that for now since I'm not quite installing the harnesses yet. Now I can proceed to pull carpet. Oh, there's a razor blade right here. All right. Boy, holy cow, that's getting all sorts of stuff in my eyes. This is so heavy. Just for carpet, like that weighed like a good 20 pounds. I guess it's just so old and disgusting that it just puts so much weight in the car. Dang, that's rough. All right, this is a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. Dude, even this like weighs 2 pounds right here. Just this piece of carpet. Just taking out the carpet suffices for my belly. For all you guys telling me to shed weight, I already shed my weight in just a little bit of carpet. So I don't want to hear nothing from you. All right, some more carpet. Carpet, carpet, carpet. Oh my God, I got the carpet in my lungs. Dude, there is just more carpet all through here. All right, that's as good as I'm gonna be able to get for right now. I'm actually kind of happy now. I'm gonna need to vacuum all that junk. So I'm gonna need to get that seat, or at least get the dash fixed, drive it, and then from there, I'll be able to take it to the car wash. And once I do that, then I'll be able to, scratch that. What am I even saying? I can't really do that. I guess I'm just gonna take out all the trash, get it ready to be vacuumed. Oof, I don't know if I should take out this column yet. I'm gonna look up columns real quick. I'll be back. All right, guys. Holy cow, I've breathed in so many bad things today. Fire, burning plastic, bleach, paint, cleaning chemicals. I've just breathed in way too many bad things. It's just time for me to wear a mask. But now I am painting my car. I have pretty much the whole interior of the back cleaned. I cleaned it with bleach. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it real quick. I have a little bit of paint in it right now, but I'm gonna make the whole thing silver. So I'm painting towards myself, which probably isn't the best idea, but oh boy, this stuff's intense. It puts down a really nice silver. It's gonna look great whenever it's done. Dang. So it looks a lot different back here now. All right, so as you can see, silver interior is what I'm going with. The rest of this isn't painted yet because it's not clean yet. Everything back here was pretty clean, so I went ahead and made it all silver. Everything back here is silver. I literally just got a rattle can and sprayed everything down. Now I've got one less thing off my list. Like I've said, the back half of the car is drag car. The front half of the car is stock V6. So I'm fixing that, and I'm going one thing at a time. First will be interior, and after I get everything ready and a cage in, then I'm gonna go ahead and go full race car with the motor and swap everything. And it's gonna go pretty fast, and it doesn't require this motor right here because this one will be exploded by then. So, like I said, got a few tricks up my sleeve. Y'all are gonna wanna stay tuned for this. Thank y'all very much for watching. Have a great one. remember to freaking send it. Adios.